Okay, had a Nest thermostat go out yesterday, completely dead, and swapped it for another unit, left it overnight plugged in. Still nothing, not working. So I'm going to pull this off. Everything looks okay here. It seems the internal battery died. I noticed it's got this extra charging plug here, so I'm going to try plugging it into a wall charger, see if we can rejuvenate this thing. Otherwise, it's going to be something under warranty. Looking to This one is still under warranty, so if it does go out, not a big deal, but yeah. Okay, got a wall charger. Hopefully this is going to work. Standard. Yeah, plugged in. Let's see if the battery will rejuvenate. I'll leave it plugged in with the wall charger. It's plugged in up here. Oh, I saw the blinking light. Yay! I don't know if it's showing up on camera. You see it there? There it is. We might be alright. We'll let this charge. See how it goes. Alright, it's been about an hour and it says please attach to the display to its base. That's good. Hopefully this will have rejuvenated it. I'm going to leave it when I go to lunch and come back and try again. Okay, so it's after lunch. It's been even a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this and try it out. We'll see how it goes. Okay, here's hoping. Attached to the base. Nice. Nest date and time. We can set date and time. I'll have to check that and do that. See, is that time? Oh yeah, we gotta change that. Okay, so it's October 11th. Okay, and it's 2:59. Probably gonna be 3 o'clock by the time I get there. Okay. Let's go with that. 3 p.m. Pacific, done. Yay! Alright, we're back in the mix. So before you go calling in a warranty or sending it back, try plugging it in and charging it first, and we'll monitor it, see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't, survive until the day after the warranty expires and then it goes out. But it's done deal now. And here it is about an hour later, still working good. I can turn it off. Doing what it's supposed to do.